Why should we put our toys away? Today, another fun day of playing had come to an end in the toy room. Blocks, toy cars, dolls, and balls were scattered all over the floor. Just then, the little blue robot toy looked around and said, "Wow, we had so much fun today. But now there's one important thing left to do." The princess toy in her pink dress smiled gently and replied, "That's right. We all had a wonderful time, and now it's time for everyone to go back to their own place." The other toys tilted their heads, wondering why they needed to be put away. The robot toy pointed at the blocks on the floor. If toys stay on the floor for too long, someone might step on them or they might bump into each other and get scratched or broken. Putting toys away helps them stay nice for a long time. The princess toy nodded. Every toy has its own special home. Shelves and toy boxes are cozy places where toys can rest. When we return to our places, we'll always be ready for the next fun adventure. Just then, a toy train tried to travel across the room, but blocks were scattered across its track. The robot toy smiled and said, "When the floor is clean, every toy can move safely and happily." The princess toy showed everyone the toy boxes and shelves. Cars belong with cars, blocks belong with blocks, and dolls belong with dolls. When everything is organized, it's much easier to find your favorite toy. One by one, the toys happily returned to their places. The blocks went into the block box, the toy cars rolled into their basket, and the dolls sat neatly on their shelf. Working together, they cleaned up the room in no time. The room that had been crowded with toys became clean, bright, and spacious. Now every toy had plenty of room to play, and finding a favorite toy was quick and easy. Everyone felt much happier. The robot toy smiled brightly. Putting toys away helps them last longer, makes them easier to find, and keeps everyone safe while playing. The princess toy added warmly, "Spending just a few minutes cleaning up after play makes everyone happy." From that day on, whenever playtime ended, all the toys happily returned to their own places. In the clean and tidy toy room, every new adventure began with even more joy, and the toys stayed happy together for a very long time.
오늘도 재미있었나요? 다음에는 어떤 이야기가 기다릴까요? 구독과 좋아요. 안녕!